How to get the reply option on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the reply option on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we get started on the step, I'm just going to show you how those reply feature work like. So I'm just going to open Instagram app right here and click on this messenger icon at the top right corner from the home page. So I'm going to click on a certain conversation. And what this reply feature does is it allows you to reply to a certain message. And to do that, just press and hold a certain message right here, and you can click on reply that is in this part of the screen. So that is basically how the reply option works on Instagram. The first thing that you are going to try, and for you to get the reply option in Instagram, if you don't have this feature, is go to your homepage and open up App Store right here. So we're going to make sure that you have the updated Instagram application. Just type in the search bar Instagram, and just click on Instagram right here and make sure that this says open. That means that your Instagram app is up to date. So updating the app also ensures that you have the latest features that is given by the creator of Instagram app. So if that still does not work as a solution to get the reply option on Instagram, the next thing that we are going to do is to go to the settings. So to do that, let's just click on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Click on those three bar lines right here at the top right corner. And if you have this certain button, it should say Update Messaging, maybe around here at the bottom or somewhere. And these options, just click on that and click on Update, and you should have the latest feature of being able to reply on an individual message. So if you don't have that option, the next thing that we are going to try is to restart the app. So how do you restart the app? Just go to the Task Manager to do that on iPhone. Just press and hold right here and slowly swipe up and pass here. After that, just swipe to the left and swipe up the Instagram page right here. So that just restarted the app, and just reopen the Instagram app. And just test if you already have the reply feature. And if that still does not work, the last thing that you are going to try to fix this issue is to click on our profile icon again. And let's go ahead on the settings. Just click on Settings right here and click on Help. Good that that's click. Report a problem. Take our report problem without shaking here and just type in, I don't have the reply option or something like that, and just wait for Instagram to respond to the problem you sent. And hopefully you will get the reply option on Instagram back. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.